You can read the title, so let's go to Develop. Open your game. I'll just move the sprites out of the way. I'll be making a forest, so make the objects for whatever biome you're working with. This one will be a tree. Then set up the biome area. You can get references off of other games or real-life images. Just make sure you give credit or put the inspo image at the end or in a post. Now that's done, we'll do the important part, which is the S. Scroll down and look for the particles emitter under the video effect category. Click on the 2D one, since that's the environment we are working with. There are lots of presets you can choose from, and you can also get from the asset store, but I'll make it from scratch. Make the particles be an actual object or item. Click on the particle type and select image, and then you can make the image or just select one from your files. You can adjust the setting if you want to. The names are sub. Then drag and place them onto the scene. I fixed the area, so let's now preview the game. And it works like so, but if you want to make it only start emitting the particles once a condition goes off, here is a tutorial. Go to the Scene Events tab and follow the code and steps. Then preview the game. And it works. That's all for this video, and good luck on your game development journey.